Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download Hulu movies to watch offline. Imagine this, you are on a long flight, a road trip, or somewhere with no internet connection, and still you want to enjoy Hulu movies. The good news, Hulu lets you download content offline. No more buffering or worrying about spotty connection. In this quick guide, I will be showing you guys step by step how can you download Hulu content offline so you can watch anywhere anytime. So let's dive right in. To download Hulu movies and TV shows to watch offline, you need to follow these steps. However, it's important to know that offline downloads are only available to Hulu and Hulu Plus Live TV subscribers on the mobile app. Ensure you have a Hulu subscription. Make sure you have one of the following plans as offline downloads are not available for Hulu with ads. Launch your Hulu app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Hulu app. Now you can provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you'll land to the home page. Now, at the top, you're gonna find the search box. Over there, you can type in downloadable and then search for it. With that, you're gonna find the list of the movies and series that can be downloaded. Now, I can click on any of the series or movie that you wanna download. You'll get this kind of option below play, download. You have to click on that. With that, download process will start. You have to wait for a few seconds, and with that, the movie or the show will be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, you can click on this option of download, and in this page, you're gonna find the list of the movies and series that you have downloaded to watch offline. Once your content is downloaded, you can watch it offline anytime, as long as you are not connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data. So that's a wrap for this video. With these steps, you will be all set to enjoy Hulu's offline viewing feature wherever you go. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.